Hello guys, good morning. It's a beautiful day and it's time for my second painting of the Vibrant Black series. If you have no clue what I'm talking about, then check out my video from last week and I probably will link it here or in the description. I'm doing a 9-piece with black backgrounds and vibrant colors in there. So that means 9 small paintings to create one big artwork. Today will be the second one, and last time I used a soft pink in there with metallics. This time I'm gonna use a powder blue and metallics, and of course a black background. So let's see how this one will turn out. Alright, so I painted already the base black and it's still wet of course, and I'm starting with this powder blue, but not too much. Just that. And some of this winter blue. And then we go with the metallics. This is copper, gold, and a few drops of white. So we get the smoky effect, but probably the powder blue will create that as well. So black around it. And then blowing the black over the colors. Now let's go from here. That's looking good. That's beautiful. And here it looks almost purple. Yeah, torch it, of course. Ooh. Yeah, this one is so nice. Wow. It's amazing what a black base does. This smoky, yeah. And it created also some green here because of the gold and the blue. This one is gorgeous. Perfect one for the Vibrant Black series. Let me give you a close-up, guys. Look at how beautiful this is. See, those cells are also amazing. And here you see the bit violet color. Love the smoky effect and composition in this one. Wow. Yeah, perfect addition for the series. Can't wait till they are both dry to already place them together. This is insane. So cool. Well, I would love to hear your opinion, of course, and if you're following me on this series, I can't wait till they're all finished. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that, and click the notification bell so you know whenever I post a new video. Okay, well, see you next time.